Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the E1 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. A powerhouse of convenience and efficiency with its 110,000 RPM brushless motor delivering consistent suction without the hassle of carbon dust. Weighing just 4.4 pounds, this lightweight marvel offers effortless maneuverability, making it perfect for tackling dust from high shelves to deep carpets with ease. The E1 boasts a 2000 mAh 22.2 volts Li-ion battery that provides up to 35 minutes of runtime on hard floors and 18 minutes on carpets, with the option to extend this time thanks to its detachable battery design. Equipped with a motorized brush and LED headlights, this vacuum ensures no dust is left behind, even in the darkest corners, while its intuitive LED display keeps you informed of battery status and cleaning modes. The E1 comes with comprehensive cleaning accessories, including a crevice tool and a 2-in-1 furniture brush, making it versatile for various cleaning needs from car interiors to curtains. With a 5-stage filtration system and washable filters, this vacuum is ideal for those with allergies, and it's backed by a full 1-year guarantee, lifetime technical support, and a 30-day money-back guarantee for peace of mind. So, say goodbye to cumbersome corded vacuums and embrace the future of cleaning with the E1 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, designed to make your life easier and your home cleaner. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.